guys, today we are going to be reading Splat the Cat, I Scream for Ice Cream. This is based on the creation of Rob Scotton. Splat the Cat, I Scream for Ice Cream. Splat the Cat beamed in the back of the bus. His class was on a field trip to the ice cream factory. I wish I was on a field trip to the ice cream factory right now. Sounds fun. I could eat 4 ice cream cones a day, said Splat. I could eat 15, said Plank. And I could eat all yours and 1,000,000 more, said Spike. Kitten licked her lips. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream, the friends cried. At the ice cream factory, ice cream swirled in big vats. Pipes steamed, nozzles gleamed. Wow, said Splat. What a dream. The factory manager greeted them. I'm Mr. Jellybean, he said. Who wants a tour? Hooray, sang the cats. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Mr. Jellybean led the class to a back room. The cats' faces fell. There was a chalkboard, chairs, desks, but no ice cream to be seen. Mr. Jellybean cleared his throat. First, let's talk freezers, he said. Some are big, some are small. All are extremely cold. Mr. Jellybean talked on and on. He seemed to love his freezer theme, but the cats did not. Their eyes glazed over. Their heads dropped. Splat began to daydream that he was making ice cream. He closed his eyes and leaned against a big red button. Beep! Alarms blared. Lights beamed. Splat jumped and screamed. Did you see what the button was? The emergency ice cream release. Steam puffed out of a big pipe. Then splat! Ice cream streamed out. It became a huge ice cream wave. That grew and flooded the factory. Now that's a lot of ice cream, said Plank, taking a taste. Yum. What happened? Miss Wimpy Dimples asked. I don't know, said Splat from under the chocolate chips. The class cleaned themselves up. Miss Wimpy Dimple counted heads. Everyone was there, except Seymour! Splat screamed. I have to find Seymour, he said. He ran back towards the door. Wait, Kitten cried. We'll come with you. We're a team after all. Inside, the team checked out the ice creamy mess. Let's look, they said. Be careful, Splat said. Seymour is so small. We may not see him under all this ice cream. With brushes and buckets, the cats cleaned and ate their way into the factory. "Seymour!" Splat called, but Seymour was nowhere to be seen. Then the team cleaned and ate their way through the next room. "Seymour!" Splat called again. The team continued until the factory gleamed, but it seemed Seymour wasn't anywhere under all that ice cream. Just then, a blop of whipped cream fell onto Splat's head. Splat looked up. "Splat!" There was Seymour! He was way up on a beam. He couldn't call out. His mouth was full of ice cream. Seymour leaped into Splat's paws. Then Mr. Jellybean thanked the team. "The factory is so clean. How can I repay you? Would you like some ice cream?" The cats all groaned. "No more ice cream," they said. "For now," whispered Seymour. That was Splat the cat, I Scream for ice cream. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.